Welcome back to Brildor, your personalization channel. In this video, we will talk about an item that has become an accessory for everyday use, the face mask. But the problem is that they don't always look very nice. Today, I will show you some masks that you can print with your favorite designs. So let's not make you wait any longer, and let's show you how to customize them quickly and easily. These face masks are available in two sizes, large and small, and they adapt to most faces. To customize them, the only thing you will need is a sublimation kit. Download the template from the product card. You will find the link in the description below. Prepare your design and print it with your sublimation printer in mirror image. Trim the printing. Spray temporary adhesive on the paper. Place the paper on the mask, flip it over and remove wrinkles by hand. Put protective paper on the press's lower plate. Place the mask with the ear loops facing out. Cover it with protective paper and press at 200 degrees for 40 seconds, applying heavy pressure. After it ends, remove the protective paper and the sublimation paper. Your mask is now ready. It is now time to let your imagination run free and print your favorite designs on this accessory. Remember that although this is not an approved mask, it can still be used to prevent transmission to other people. You can also wear them on top of other masks to increase protection, wash them and use them again. We hope you enjoyed this video. If that's the case, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel to never miss our tutorials. Take care and see you soon.